Most people are so afraid of starting their own business, but surprisingly, people who build their own business are the ones who are really successful everywhere in the world. I've been trying to remodel my home, and what I found out by doing that, because I tried working with uh, construction worker or contractors who do plumbing, painting, I mean, any kind of remodeling in the house, kitchen, bathroom. And then after calculating everything, the cost and everything, I found out that they make more than most people that I know. So sometimes we ignore this kind of jobs, but these are the jobs that really pay. Just ask a plumber how much they make if they had to build their own business, how much they make per day. If they can estimate that, I can tell you right away that they're able to make up to 5,000 a day. If they work really hard, they're really good workers, and they find good deals. 5,000 a day. Imagine that. I don't know any kind of office job that you will find somebody making that money, that kind of money. Because we usually like fancy stuff, but fancy doesn't always pay. If you go with the trade works, construction, mechanics, all kind of jobs, trade work jobs like people who build houses, they fix the HVACs, or do all kind of plumbing work. Those people make good money. Even if you're not able to do construction, at least you can try to learn how to paint. People are being paid a lot of money just by doing things. You can see here this mechanic just fixing little stuff, maybe updating something on a vehicle, maybe just aligning some parts. From that, if you just ask them, they are making good money. Yep. And I've worked with some contractors who do construction work, and they told me that they only work like 2 or 3 days per week, and then the rest of the week they're just relaxing, just taking the time off. That's the beauty about working for yourself. But imagine you're working for somebody else forever. When will you be able to rest? It's hard. You have to ask for PTO. Days off. Maybe it's your PTO or sick days off. But if it's your own, your own business, your own job, that you decide what time you want to be there. You just complete the work and you're like, you're all free. Sometimes we look for freedom, but freedom is just across the road from us, or maybe even on the corner of our house, and we just don't notice it because we're all focused on fancy. So just remember, fancy doesn't always pay. Because repairing this kind of stuff can make you a lot of money, and you can learn it from anybody from anywhere for even less than just going to college for 4 years.